Today we're going to show you how to set up a zoom kit from both a hardware and software standpoint. First, let's take a look at the actual items in the Zoom hardware kit. You will have a USB speakerphone, 2 cables for the USB speakerphone, a little carrying bag for the USB speakerphone, a USB webcam, a tripod, and 2 USB hubs. One is USB-C for newer Macs, and one is USB-A for older Macs. So just choose whichever one you will need for your specific computer. USB-A looks like this. USB-C looks like this. First, put the camera on the tripod. You can adjust the tripod by turning the handle slightly counterclockwise to loosen it up and adjust the tilt. You can lock the tilt in place by turning the handle clockwise. And of course, open up the lens cap. There are 2 cables that come with the USB speakerphone. One is 3 feet, the other is 15 feet. Use the one that you need for the situation in which you are setting up. Connect the cable to the USB speakerphone in the port on the side. Connect the speakerphone and the webcam into the USB hub. Then connect the hub into your computer. In this picture, we're using the USB-C hub, which is most common for the newer Macs. If you have an older Mac, you may use the USB-A hub, which has a plug that looks like this. And that's all the hardware setup you need to do. Once you've connected the hardware over USB, now it's time to configure the software settings. First, we'll go into Zoom. Click on zoom.us in the upper left corner and go to Preferences. Within the preferences, there's both audio and video. We'll start with audio. Under the speaker, you can select Polycom VoxBox. And then under microphone, you can also select Polycom VoxBox. You can test the mic, and you can also test the speaker. Under the video settings, make sure to select the Logitech Webcam C930E from the drop-down menu. You can select either 16:9 or original ratio, and make sure to select Enable HD, and also make sure to uncheck Mirror My Video. Once you've set your audio and video settings in Zoom, you're ready to go.